Going to the shop of Union Pacific is an entertainment in itself. See what's going to happen when we get close to the shop. We're going through like moguls, like skiing in a mogul competition. Skiing in a mogul surface, going up and down. You go into the shop to get repair, and you can just get a breakdown because of the moguls. Everything in a rail ramp is very tough and hard and harsh and miserable. They are open. Here where the fun starts. Once you get off the asphalt, let me see if they did that surface or not. You might have done it. No, they did not. Look at how miserable that surface is. This part is okay. Am I going to it? Am I going to look at how miserable that surface is? It's going on this surface with a loaded trailer is miserable. I will get out of here and just take my chances. I will not wait. Rather go away. Because I might have a breakdown in the shop because of the mogul surface of the ground. Too many ditches. I'd rather go away.